In breaking news coming in, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived now at the G20 meeting that is currently underway in the city of Johannesburg in South Africa. Visuals on your screens, Prime Minister is walking on the red carpet to meet the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. So you can see there on your screens a very historic moment. Our Prime Minister over there at the G20 summit, the red carpet has been rolled out for him over there, and you can see that he is all ready to meet the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. So those visuals on your screens over there, this is the first time that a G20 summit is being held on the African continent, and the Prime Minister is expected to hold bilateral meetings with some of the leaders present in Johannesburg. Joining us live on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu Seth with more details on this story. Arzu, we've got visuals from Johannesburg. The red carpet has been rolled out for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has met the President of South Africa over there.
Well, definitely, the Prime Minister has just reached to the venue where the G20 will be held, and this is the first time that the, African soil, the G20 is being held, and Prime Minister is going to put forward the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and One Earth, One Family, and, there is a sustainable development, and there are other issues on which the Prime Minister is going to speak about. And also on the sideline of the G20 summit, there will be also bilateral meeting that the Prime Minister is going to hold with the G20 countries. So definitely it's a very important visit of Prime Minister, the 3-day visit which begins from yesterday, and Prime Minister is going to meet the group of 20s leaders summit, the first ever to be held in African country amid a boycott by the United States. Trump has boycotted it over widely discredited claim that the host country mistreated white people. So this going to be, this going to be seen what more is going to happen, because the Prime Minister has just reached to the venue. There will be a group photo that all the G20 members are going to take, and also a lot of things on the different aspects. The discussion will be held at the G20. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Arzu.